Hi there. In this session, I'll be talking about SAP Business Workflow with emphasis in the forms. So this is a good example activity that I'm going to show to you live. So T code is SWTD to view this transaction, and let's save it. Let's name it W forms. Forms example. Enter. Local object. Okay, after that, let's create workflow container. Double click that, and here the element name is this guy, and short description this one, and select this one. And for the structure, let's type in MACT and properties. You can enter these guys too, import export. And okay, after that, let's now create the form. Click this and go to here and drag and drop dot. And for the step name, let's make it material information. For this one, expression initiator. Actually, we have 4, but we're gonna select approve. And for the form, we're gonna have to let's click this and see what it says. Continue. And for this one, material form, and select that. This is the element that we've created a while ago. Continue. Complete. Hit local object. Okay, successful. So this is the element, and this is the form, material form. So now let's click this pencil button there to enter the layout mode of that form. So here is the layout. Now we're not gonna need all of them. We're gonna delete some of these guys here. And this is MacTX. Okay, that's needed. Okay, so I just deleted all those. And for this one, material, let's adjust the properties. Make it an input field, and for this guy, make it an output only. Okay, then save. Then let's go to the flow logic, and in the export data, let's edit some code here. Yep, this guy here. Let's add this guy here. Okay, we have an error here. Let's activate everything first. Okay, activated. Now if we're gonna go into this form again, click the pencil, flow logic. Okay, now we're gonna add this guy here. Select single MacTX. Okay, with the reference to this Matinar. So anything that we input in the form, remember the layout form that we've created, anything that we entered there it's gonna fetch the MacTX. MacTX is the description, and that description will be passed in here, and MacT will then be available for the email step. Oh, I forgot the email steps here. 3 email steps for approve and rejected. Okay, let's activate this and let's see if it works. Okay, the error that it is saying here is it's not accepting a report program. So let's try to make an experiment here. Okay, let's activate it, even if it has some errors. Let's see if it works. Okay, check mark there. And for the form rejected and approved, let's enter an email there for the approve material information. Let's add that container. Let's add just the material number and approved Matinar. Let's copy that and description. Let's change this to MacTX. Check. Okay, for this one, T approved. Approved. Email. Local object. Okay. Let's leave it like that. And for the rejected, let's add another one there. Let's leave these guys the same. Rejected. Let's add an expression there. Material number. And copy that. Rejected. Description. MacTX. Check. Okay, now you have 2 steps there, tasks, and that's the end. Okay, let's activate everything. Let's run it. Okay, let's select the material. Let's try this one. Hit enter. Okay, that worked. And let's reject it. And let's check the email SBWP. Inbox rejected 2483, and that's the message. Let's try the Nope. Let's try the approval. Approved. Let's try a different material also. Mm, 2451. Hit enter. Okay, it did work. Approve. Okay, let's check the email. Oops. There, approved. 2451, and that's the message. Let's go back to that error that we saw a while ago. Here, if we look at the form, hit the pencil, go to full logic, you will see this guy here. This guy. Let's copy that. Okay, and let's go back. If we go to, let's hit check there. If we go to the header, and let's look at the function group. And this is the function group. Okay, and let's go to the function group by going to transaction SCET. Okay, here let's enter the function group, this guy here, 25, and hit the eyeglasses, 25, and if you will see here, this guy and this guy are the same. Okay, and if we go to the main program, this guy and this guy are the same. It says include, but if we look into this one, it says it's a report. So I'm not sure why SAP is doing that, but if you want to clean it up, you can go to it manually by going to SE38. Okay. Let's close some windows here. SE38. Okay. And go to attributes. Change the attributes. Make it an include program. Okay. And form material flow. Okay, now if we're gonna change this, sorry, let's go to source code, change it. It says now include, and it's inactive. Let's activate it. Okay, now it's activated without that warning. So I'm not sure yet. I'm still researching on that, why it's doing that. But it still works. If it is a report, you're just gonna have to disregard that error message and hit activate anyway. And or you can do this step that I've shown to you by changing the attributes. And there, hopefully you learned something from me today. Have a good day. Bye.